Greetings everyone! Behind me is a 2023 CLA 250 and this one is special. You have your high performance LED lights and it has the AMG night package giving you this AMG styling, this beautiful black chrome grille surrounding your AMG star. It has this beautiful rose gold metallic paint and these upgraded 18-inch AMG wheels with black accents. So it has a 7-speed automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder turbo engine putting about 221 horsepower, and for a 4-cylinder, this one really scoots. And coming around the back, you have your LED lights, your chrome exhaust tips, and since this one's a coupe, you get plenty of trunk space. And in the front, you have your panoramic roof, your race-inspired AMG seats, ambient lighting, wood trim. You have your storage with charging ports. You have your trackpad with parking assist, dynamic drive select, cup holders, and it has wireless charging and this little nifty arm bar so that your phone doesn't bounce up and down. It has your heated seat and 20 inches of screenery that comes equipped with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. And here in the back, you have your cargo nets, your rear air vents, your charging port, and you can pull this down for your cup holders. So come on in, because you know what they say, if it's rose gold, it's sold. Or maybe they don't. Either way, come on in.